Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do this. It's more of like a, I mean, you saw the last, if you watched the last Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, you know it was really bold. I wanted to do something more calm and subtle but still cute. So what I did was I used the same palette. Sorry, it's trying to turn. But I used the same Naked Urban Decay palette, the cherry edition. And if you want to see how I created this look, keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to use is this color Caution right underneath my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Bang Bang. This is a really pretty eyeshadow color. I like this color. So after applying that color Bang Bang, I think I'm gonna go in with, okay, after applying the shade Bang Bang, I'm gonna go in with Feels. I want to keep it kind of soft and simple, so I'm not trying to have that really bold look like this. Well, actually no, I'm gonna go in with Juicy. Yeah, I'm gonna use Juicy. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade Feels to blend this out a little bit more. It was a little bit bolder than I was going for, but I'm just gonna blend it out with the shade Feels. Okay, I think I want to do something underneath the eye. Or should I just put mascara and call it a day? But I'm liking this smoky look that I've been doing here lately, putting it underneath the eye. Should I do black underneath the eye? What do I do? Black and pink? Let me see. I'll put this L'Oreal Paris moldering eyeliner. I'm gonna put this on the bottom of my eyelash. Gosh, I can't talk. I'm not gonna use the brown out of this palette because I'd rather do black and then a little bit of pink, well, a little bit of both. So I'm just gonna use a regular black eyeshadow and put it along the bottom of my eyelid. I'm gonna go in with the color Feels to lighten this up a little bit, because yeah, it is a little more, well, it is bolder than what I was trying to do. So let me go in with the Feels. Going to use Stunning, you can't see it, but it's Milani, the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in 38 and 10. 10 is Adorable, 38 is Stunning. And then after I put that on, I'm gonna put on Perfect Nude Gloss by Sephora. And then I might dab on a little bit of the Urban Decay. It's like a shimmery lip gloss. Well, lipstick. I might put that on. I don't know yet. I'm waiting to put this on first and then see how it goes. But I'm gonna line my lips first with the Kylie Jenner Candy K lip liner. Okay, I'm gonna do Stunning first. I'm gonna use Stunning. And now I'm gonna go in with number 10, Adore.